Hello YouTube friends, welcome to my channel. This is Rai with my husband travel buddy Alan, together with Ivan and Judilyn. Today, we are going to visit a specialty museum that features rare antique autos, plus a short glimpse of the Shenandoah Heritage Village. So come and join us by watching this video. But before you do that, please don't forget to subscribe. For more than 130 years, Luray Caverns has been renowned as one of the world's most spectacular natural wonders. A subterranean wonderland of magic and majesty, is still as marvelously beautiful as described in the newspaper headlines over a century ago. Adjacent to it, there are a few museums. If you are a car lover or history lover, or just someone who loves beautifully sculpted sheet metal, we have your museum, the Car and Carriage Caravan Museum at Luray Caverns. It exhibits is a tour of milestone in transportation, including authentically restored cars, carriages, coaches, and costumes dating from year 1725 to year 1941. This fascinating story of roadway travel begins with simple wagons and coaches to the elaborate and luxurious automobiles of the 1940s. Meticulously restored to their original splendor, these antiques on wheels are all in running condition and beautifully displayed among period artifacts. experience a slice of life from another time when a new top-of-the-line Cadillac double tulip touring car would set you back $950 in year 1906. Mother-in-law sales came in handy when touring in year 1912 Met's Roadster. Milk was 5 cents a quart as found on the original paint of the 1914 Ford Model T milk wagon. As you continue exploring this museum, feast your eyes on the stunning centerpiece of the collection, an 1897 Mercedes-Benz, one of the oldest cars in the country still in operating condition. Check out the precursor to the Chevy Volt, the 1908 Baker Electric, and bask in the indulgent 1925 Rolls-Royce, owned by the silent film star Rudolph Valentino. museum, you will exit to a gift shop where you can buy souvenir items. There are also other adventures here in Luray, like the Rope Adventure Park and the Garden Maze. We are now proceeding to the Shenandoah Heritage Village, where you can discover the rich history of the Shenandoah Valley. The Shenandoah Heritage Village is a 7-acre recreation of a small 19th century farming community made up of restored historic buildings, cottage-style gardens, and a small vineyard with a scenic mountain backdrop. This is the gem mining sluice. In the 18th and 19th century, prospectors used sluices to find precious minerals. Mining for iron ore, copper, and manganese was an industry in this area. As you stroll along the path of the Shenandoah Heritage Village, you'll notice gardens full of rare heirloom plants, fruit trees, and a small vineyard. Nigella, wallflowers, foxgloves, and sunflowers are just some of the blooms that await. There is always something new blooming during the growing season, including many varieties of heirloom flowers. Our small but productive vineyard produces delicious northern grapes, which are used to make a port-style wine. Endangered historic buildings found a new life on the grounds of a former farm adjoining Luray Caverns. 2 houses, a meeting house, a school, a barn, a blacksmith shop, and other buildings were carefully restored or repurposed to bring a glimpse into a Shenandoah Valley community in the 18th and 19th centuries. This will end our visit here in Luray, Virginia. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like, leave a comment, subscribe, share, and hit on the notification bell for more updates. See you in my next travel videos. Again, thank you and bye for now.